Getting tired of constant notifications from a specific person or chat on Messenger on your Android phone? You can easily turn off notifications for just one contact while keeping others active. Here's how you can do it. Solution 1. Mute notification for a specific chat. Open the Messenger app on your Android. Locate and open the conversation with the person whose notifications you want to turn off. Tap and hold their name at the top of the chat window. Select Mute Notifications from the menu. Choose the preferable option for you. By selecting Mute Message and Call Notification, will mute both message and call notification on Android. Solution 2. Use restrictions. Open the Messenger. Find the person and open the conversation. Tap Profile Picture. Scroll down. Tap Restrict. Tap Restriction again. This person will be restricted. Even though he will be able to send message and notification won't work, you can always come to conversation to unrestrict the person you want. By using these steps, you can turn off Messenger notifications for a specific person or chat while keeping others active. If you need more help, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.